Make 2.76. You gotta steal it, Will.
Okay, guys. So story time. As a person who worked in a pizza restaurant for a limited amount of time, I once got a call from a customer, and he was trying to decide with his family like what size to get his pizza for, because I mean, like it makes sense. Because like just think about it, like you want a pizza for your family, but like maybe you have some children or an autist who doesn't want like you maybe like you want like a combo pizza, but someone in your family is like immature or autistic and they don't want vegetables. So, like if you get if you get a large pizza, like if you cut it in half, like combo on one side, like meat only on the other, maybe some vegetables get on the other side, or like all that. And like also like the kids, like they're stupid. They're stupid. The kids are stupid. Like they think that, oh, I'm only getting half of a pizza without vegetables on it. I want a full pizza without vegetables on it. So you take a look at here. The 8-inch pizza is the small. We're going by Papa John's sizing right now. 14-inch pizza is the large, but that's like the normal one that you get. So I mean, like, two of these looks like it could fit in one of these, right? Right?
Wrong.
So hear me out. Hear me out. If we think about it, 8-inch pizza, 4-inch diameter. 14-inch pizza, 7-inch diameter. So if we just do the math, because like the last math tutorial I made, what's the area of a circle? A is equal to pi r squared. So if we use that formula, how many square inches for the small pizza? Well, area of the small pizza we get 4 squared times pi, so 16 pi square inches of pizza. And then for the area of the large pizza, we get 49 pi square inches of pizza. Now, that's a lot, right? Oh, but Winston, you're going to get 2 large pizzas. That's right, I am going to get 2 large pizzas. So you got to multiply this by 2. 2a sub s. Now we got 32 pi square inches of pizza. So guess what, Jimmy? You wanted a whole pizza without vegetables on it. So if you got one small pizza to yourself without vegetables on it, you get 16 square inches of pizza. If you just cut this thing in half, like a reasonable adult, instead of being the selfish piece of shit you are, you'd only get what's 1/2 of 49? I don't even know. That's like what? 24.5 square inches of pizza if you just had a half of the pizza. You're not gonna have a half of the pizza, but whatever. You see that difference? It's not equal to so like not only are you giving your parents a hard time because they got to carry 2 boxes from Papa John's instead of just one bigger box. Like they got to put the boxes in the passenger seat. The box on top is gonna like slide around. Maybe it's gonna like if they like press on the brakes too hard, it's gonna like slide off. It's gonna go into like where your feet go when you're riding shotgun. Pizza's all over the fucking floor. Like maybe like some dirt gets stuck to it or something. You're gonna put it back in the box, and then you're now eating a dirty pizza. So not only are you making it harder on your parents, Jimmy, it's also just less cost effective. If we go to the Papa John's website, let's take the cheese pizza for example. 14-inch is $15, and then the 8-inch is $11. Now I know it's not. It doesn't say the inches. I looked up the sizes. Papa John's pizza size chart. It's not giving me any sizings, but just trust me. I know what the sizings are because I worked there. So if we let's just say if we just exclude taxes, $15 for the large. So if you got one 14-inch pizza, your average cost per square inch, $15 divided by 49 dollars square inches. You gotta remember to do your dimensional analysis, folks. So what is that? 15 divided by 49. Oh, I made a mistake there. I forgot about the pie. Pie, yeah, because pizza. Yeah, shut the fuck up. So, I forgot that. Yeah, there's that pi there. 49 pi square inches. Okay, so 49 times 3.14. That's our denominator, 153.86. 15 divided by 153.86. That's how much you're paying per square inch per pizza for the large pizza. What is that, like 9 cents? 9.7 cents? It's pretty much 9 cents, maybe 10 if you round up, if you're using sig figs or some shit. 9 cents per square inches. So then, well, what about the two smalls? I mean, you're already getting less pizza, but maybe it's cheaper, huh? Well, let's see. According to Papa John's, the 8-inch pizza is $11. Okay, so there's two of them. You gotta remember that. So the cost of two of them, what is that? $22. The sign goes in front. Always gotta remember that. I'm a dumbass. So $22 over 32 pi inches. Pi squared inches. So 32 times 3.14. Denominator 100.48. 22 divided by 100.48. You're paying 21.8 cents. 21.8. What the hell, Jimmy? What are you doing? 21.88 cents per square inch. You see the difference? You see the difference? 21.8 cents per square inch as opposed to 9.7 cents. Just because you think that two of these is equal to one of these. Are you stupid? What is this? What is this? Like, what is this ratio? 21.8 divided by 9.7. That's ratio of 2.2 to 1. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're making your parents pay twice as much per square inch of pizza. Just get the large one, Jimmy. This is the tax isn't even included. I don't even know how my state charges tax. Like, is it per item? Is it per cent spent? I don't know. Just get the large pizza, you stupid dumbass.